and good afternoon. There's a motorbike, sounds like a motorbike, but up we have now migrated to the bridge, and here we shall see the My Stay to Cheltenham Spa River Trains Rail service. So yeah, it's interesting trying to set up my current location because I tried to use my selfie stick attached to my tripod to hang the camera out over the edge. However, the selfie stick is quite loose, and the bits that extend are, like I said, quite loose, and that meant that it's swung upside. Yeah. Still not raining, however, so that's good. Very good. I think I'll do a couple more shots on this bridge here with my velcro strap with my camera on the bridge handrail. So yeah, interesting setup, but I think it works. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.